The fruit you eat in the morning may be harder on your stomach if you are sensitive. A lot of people replace breakfast with just one piece of fruit on busy mornings. Fruit is full of vitamins and water, but when your stomach is empty, your body may respond to it differently. After being empty all night, your stomach acid is relatively concentrated, and in the morning, wake-up hormones like cortisol rise as your digestive system slowly gets going. If you eat a strongly irritating fruit right away, you may feel heartburn, bloating, or acid coming back up. First, tomatoes. The acidic compounds in tomatoes, along with the components that create that slightly astringent taste, may make stomach acid irritation feel stronger when they touch the lining of an empty stomach. If you have acid reflux or gastritis, tomatoes first thing in the morning may make your stomach burn, so it is better to eat them after a meal. Second, bananas. Bananas are a good fruit, but if you eat a lot of them on an empty stomach, their sugar can be absorbed quickly and may put some strain on mineral balance. When your blood sugar rises fast and then drops, hunger and sleepiness may come earlier in the morning. If you eat a banana, pair it with protein and fat, like a handful of nuts or plain unsweetened yogurt. Third, pineapple. Pineapple is acidic and contains an enzyme called bromelain, which helps break down protein. But, on an empty stomach, it can sting and irritate the stomach lining. If your mouth feels tingly or your stomach burns after eating it, be especially careful. Fourth, tangerines. Tart fruits like tangerines can make it feel like your stomach acid has become more active when you eat them on an empty morning stomach, which may lead to acid reflux or heartburn. This does not mean you need to quit fruit completely. In the morning, drink a glass of warm water first, and if possible, eat a little gentle food like eggs, oatmeal, or rice before having fruit. Also, getting about 10 minutes of sunlight after waking can help reset your body clock and support a steadier digestion rhythm. If your stomach is sensitive, try switching fruit from an empty stomach snack to an after-meal dessert. Change one thing starting today. A small habit can make your mornings feel much more comfortable.